Welcome to school 2. School 2.
Engineer know they do his work.
If you follow school 2 comedy, my brother, yourself won't lie. Follow school 2 comedy.
5. You complete. No, Oga, the thing complete.
You don't complete.
Oga.
You sure? Go ask them whether they see me block.
No, we don't carry some enter inside. We just so now why we say more can't do already there here. We won't count the one way there.
Oh yeah, count. Tell me how many day.
You the count as a man. Bless it. We don't count one side, Abi. Ma count here.
Oh yeah, more than they do big go time na money oh.
Oga, this one dey 13.
Oh yeah.
Follow school 2 comedy, when you forget your sorrow. Listen, for inside school 2, many things they happen, many things never. Hey, you go laugh, you go tire, you go be like say na jazz. You know they too.
Yes.
I say you are hardworking. I love what you are doing.
I don't understand. Hardworking as how? You know me before? You just pass here. What do you know? What do you bring hardworking for this job now? What? Are they here? They mind my business. They do my work. You they pass instead of when you go mind your business. You don't open your mouth. They tell me they hardworking. Now that's what people. Now here people when they hardworking they work.
So you want to fight me?
Now me my mate they come my house. You tell me.
Don't be small North Korea, they knock America there. What America don't do. You know you can be prosecuted for that.
They tell me they hardworking. You dey mock me. You dey mind issues left man. Don't come like this.
Wait, now you can't get this work now. Now you get this house now.
Yeah!
You don't know say now.
Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Who is this madman? It's one of our.
One of you.
You say engineer. Yes, the engineer. He's not around.
He put me in charge, sir. He had to control the affairs. He put me in charge, sir.
Okay, just round up and meet me in my car.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I don't want to see you in my sight again.
Ha! Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for. Ah!
Okay, sir.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Mo gbé wọn handicap. Mo kọ́kọ́ gbé ngogo. Kò lọ.
Now even road to go to work no day. You want to please others and displease yourself.
No.